Hi, my name is Evelyn, and I am a student of the Higher Diploma in Science Computing course from CCT College, and today I'm going to present my final project, and the name of this project is Lila Built Clinic. This project is a built clinic booking system, so it's an online booking system where customers can book services by themselves. And it will have services like microblending, lip blushing, deep cleansing, and body massage. It's going to be a web page where customers can book themselves online, as I said before, and the main language to build this project was HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to do the front-end part, and PHP and MySQL to do the back-end. So to build the database, I used MySQL, and to do the connection of the front-end to the back-end, I used PHP. This is my first Gantt chart. So the plan to build the project was just here, and it changed by the time because I could do some things at the beginning, but I left some to do at the end, so it changed a bit. And here I'm going to show the result of the project. Here's the homepage where you can find information about the services and the professional who is doing the service, the price, the duration, and the description about the services. So it's all detailed here, and it's important to keep the name of the professional because we need the name to book a service later. There is a why choose us here, which is going to be updated, and I'm going to put more information about the clinic by the time. And here this session is the package price, so there will be 3 packages, so 3 plans, which is deep cleansing package where customers can buy it and they will have 4 sessions of deep cleansing per month. So each week they will have 1, and each week the professional will use different products. So one week is to clean, another week is to smooth the skin, and so on. Body massage package, so they also have 4 sessions per month, and they also use different products to do different things each week. And Thai massage package. Here is a booking form. So to book a service, they should be logged in, but they can book from here. So to book a service, we need to log in first. I'm gonna try an email that's not registered yet, so we can see what this is going to do. yeah, so we get this message here to register ourselves first. So then we can go to the register form and register ourselves. So let's try to book again with that. So now we can see the booking confirmation page where the patient can choose a time slot here. Here. This time is available on 18th of August, sorry. So they can choose the time and then submit it. So here they get this message. So the booking number and the name of the patient, and they can go back to the home page. The booking number is not getting the right number because the PHP function is getting the first number of the table, so I still need to change it and update. So let's get back. Here they will be direct to the login page. And here they can check all the bookings that they have. So here's the booking number, professional name, booking dates, booking time, status, and they can cancel at any time the booking. Here also they can make a new booking. They will be redirected to the booking form. They can check their bookings and they can do the logout. As I tested with another patient, I could see now that it's getting the bookings from another patient. So let's do it again. Yeah. And the message errors are not working, so when a patient is not registered, they should get a message saying register first, but it's not working, so I still need to work on it. But they can do the registration here. Yeah, so this patient should not see this booking table because it's from another patient, so I still need to work on it. To do this project was really challenging because I didn't know PHP that much, and I still don't have like programmation logic, so it's a bit hard for me to build it. But I could do something, so I'm really happy for that. And also I got this template, which helped a lot because as it is a built clinic, I rather do like something beautiful because it's a built website to build services, so it should look good. And I put some time doing like those things and working a bit on it. And when I started doing the backend, it was really challenging because I needed to research a lot to be able to build something. So customers can book themselves in the system, which was the main goal of the project, and they can also cancel the book. So we can see here it's cancelled, and some functionalities are not working, but I'm still working on the project to make it work like fully. And it will also have like an admin dashboard where the owner or the administrator can get into the system and check informations and get reports from it. So I'm still like looking forward to keep building the project and keep developing it. So that's it. This is my project. Thank you very much for your attention, and thanks.